Seems like Dusty loves to be on tow trucks, man. Gotta love it, bro. Gotta love it. Alright, so y'all see the oil, man. I gotta figure out why this car is leaking so much oil, and I think I know what it is. It's definitely something to do with the seals. Damn, I didn't even know this was leaking oil yesterday here too. But it's definitely something with the seals. We're gonna get this figured out. But yeah, Dusty's here. Savage, keep on ducking me and shit. We kick your head like soccer balls and rugby balls and shit. Let me suck it up. I done goddamn butt. Alright guys, so it's been a couple days. You guys seen on my last clip with the cell phone videos that Dusty was leaking a crap ton of oil, man. Bro. And I'm here freaking out thinking like, oh shoot, I blew up the car. But I knew I didn't because the car was still on and idling perfectly fine. What happened was my oil drain for the turbo, the oil return, the flange itself where the AN line goes, it started to back off. Not the AN line, but the freaking return drain flange. So I literally spent probably 6 hours trying to tie in that thing just because I didn't have the right tools. And also I had to drive around different spots trying to find this stupid 8 millimeter 12-point socket, which I thought I had and I never had. And I drove to AutoZone, Advanced Auto, I drove to Harbor Freight, Home Depot, all of them didn't have it. But guess who did? My boy Renardo. So in today's video, man, we're gonna be doing some pulls on Dusty. Not a lot, just a little smidge. Just to make sure that the car is not leaking. I did a couple and I haven't seen any drops of oil, so I'm kind of positive that the car is fine now. And also, I never gave you guys a pull video from doing the transmission. So let's get into it, man. Now when we go talk that boy, get out the hood, boy. Damn, it's a little clearer. Let me do a pull real quick. Yeah. Gotta, oh, whoa. This road, whoa, Nelly. Oh, this road's all messed up. Oh gosh. Sheesh. I'm sorry to be interrupting the video, but today's video sponsor is Curl LED. These are the custom headlights for the 9th Gen SI. When I say custom, I mean custom. If you guys don't think these are good looking headlights, you guys are definitely crazy. If you're interested in picking up a set, I'm gonna leave the link down below. Use code zoovie at checkout. Save some money, man. Live better. Walmart. LG. Anyways, let's get back into the video. What the heck? So, yeah, guys. Dusty feels immaculate. Like, super damn good. I have my mouth mounts, so I probably, look, y'all could probably see it in the camera. I mean, in the rear view mirror, my mouth mount. So if you hear me mumbling, it's because it's in my mouth. No Diddy. Hey, yo, no Diddy. This Alexis is flying. Since it's so cold outside, all Dusty did was just spin. Ooh, look at that Hemi. You don't want the smoke? I think it's a girl driving. Oh man. Oh man. Dusty moves out, bro. Like, sheesh. It's still pretty cold outside too. Like, my temperatures are not dropping. Car sounds so good. Damn, 25 PSI, sheesh. Damn, look at the G. That's tough. Y'all see that G? Damn. All right, so we filled up. The G left. That thing looked crazy. I don't know if y'all got to see it, but like, y'all see the coolant temps? 181, right? Intake temps, 89. But look at that fuel pressure, bro. It is sitting up there. Like, the fuel has not got hot yet. Even my oil pressure is still pretty high, man. Like, transmission feels notchy right now. Dusty like the cold, but Dusty don't like the cold. Like, if that make any sense? I don't know how to explain that. I hate going right here, bro. So y'all probably wondering, like, damn, what you got next for Dusty? I ain't really got nothing next for her, bro. Like, I think I've done everything I could ever done to this car. It's really nothing more for me to really touch up on. I mean, actually, I can make it look better, but after that, there's really nothing else. Like, I'm not going all-wheel drive anytime soon. I ain't rich unless the YouTube channel blows up or something. But I don't really got nothing else planned for Dusty, man. I'm actually kind of thinking about, sadly saying it, like trading her in for something else to, you know, modify. Or maybe I'll get like a daily that I can modify or something. I don't know, but I really don't know what else to do. Like, I don't want to race Dusty. Like, if somebody hits me up to run, I'll definitely go run him. But like, for me to drive out to like 27th or, you know, those race meets, I don't think I'm doing that, bro. I just want to take Dusty out to car meets, have people look at Dusty. You feel me? Drive alongs, stuff like that. That's really all I really want to do. But this car stuff expensive, dog. That boy with the G35 was looking, he heard the gears. Yeah. You hear it, boy? Woo! You hear it? You hear it, boy? You hear it, boy? I really hope that this angle I have for y'all don't suck butt cheeks. Oh my gosh, that turbo sounds crazy right now. It's gonna spin. I knew it, I knew it. I knew it was gonna spin. Let me lower the power down. 2, maybe it won't spin. Yeah, baby, it didn't spin right there. Ow. Oh my gosh. It didn't spin right there when I lowered the boost. But higher boost, that thing's spinning. Car feels so good, you guys. It feels immaculate. Revving out to 8,600 too. It's a different feeling. Like, I can't explain it. You just gotta experience it. It feels crazy. I can hear the car just sucking in air. Hey, yo, that sounded wild. But that's what it's doing, sucking in air. See if I can hit another pull over here. Let the roll straighten up a little bit so I could hit it. This highway. I definitely granny shifted that gear. The fact that my Thames, AFRs, everything is so solid right now, this is the type of stuff that make you like just smile, bro. Goodness, Dusty, you making me wanna, I don't even know right now. You just making me wanna shout. Oh, I gotta stop doing that. That sounds crazy. Yo, Dusty feel good. My goodness. Car pulls. Oof. Car just makes me too happy. And you know what's crazy? Like, I keep seeing these knocks pop up, but it's literally the transmission. Like, first and second gear with a action clutch. Well, first and second straight cut gears with a action clutch, unsprung Iron Man. Yo, it's a lot of strain on the trans. I think that's how second broke when I was just daily driving it. There's a lot of pressure being applied. That's my Corolla. I really don't know how this angle looking for you. Let me try this one. Oh, hell no, I can't see nothing. I'm pretty sure you guys can't see nothing from this angle either. But this angle right here, if it was a helmet or a hat, would be perfect. I need to figure out what's the perfect GoPro angle. So I definitely know it's not this. Maybe I'll start wearing the GoPro on my head again instead of like having it mounted on my hat or having the mouth mount, because I feel like this view is ass. Alright guys, so we made it back to the crib. Yeah, I forgot how fast Dusty really is. Like, I haven't done a pull to 4th gear in like 2 months now. So that was fun. And I didn't even really get all into 4th gear because I let out because it's traffic and stuff. But Dusty moves, bro. I need to get a run in with somebody. Like, somebody. I don't want to go to like 27, or maybe I would go. Maybe I'll go with some friends. If y'all watching this, and if any of my friends watching this, and y'all want to go get some street runs, hit me up and let's go get some street runs, bro. But this is where I'm ending off the video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, follow your boy on Instagram _got the soda. You already know my saying. Yeah, if you guys want to be on the channel, get your car review, hit me up on that. If you guys want to get a ride along, or I don't know, I'm planning out ideas to make this channel better and make it more entertaining, because me doing installs all the time is starting to get very played out to me. But yeah, man, your boy's out. Peace.
Yeah. Trouble on my mind. I got trouble on my mind. Trouble on my mind. So much trouble.